Welcome to English RG. Let's power up your English right now.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Is she at home? Is she at home?
Yes, she is.
Is she at home?
No, she isn't.
Are they tired? Are they tired?
Yes, they are.
Are they tired?
No, they aren't.
Am I late? Am I late?
Yes, you are.
Am I late?
No, you aren't.
Were you at school yesterday? Were you at school yesterday?
Yes, I was.
Were you at school yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
Was he sick last night? Was he sick last night?
Yes, he was.
Was he sick last night?
No, he wasn't.
Were we on time? Were we on time?
Yes, we were.
Were we on time?
No, we weren't.
Was it cold this morning? Was it cold this morning?
Yes, it was.
Was it cold this morning?
No, it wasn't.
Will you be busy tomorrow? Will you be busy tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Will you be busy tomorrow?
No, I won't.
Will she be at the meeting? Will she be at the meeting?
Yes, she will.
Will she be at the meeting?
No, she won't.
Will they be here at 6? Will they be here at 6?
Yes, they will.
Will they be here at 6?
No, they won't.
Will it be sunny tomorrow? Will it be sunny tomorrow?
Yes, it will.
Will it be sunny tomorrow?
No, it won't.
Am I late for class? Am I late for class?
Yes, you are late.
Am I late for class?
No, you are not late.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
Is he happy with the results? Is he happy with the results?
Yes, he is happy with the results.
Is he happy with the results?
No, he is not happy with the results.
Is she from Korea? Is she from Korea?
Yes, she is from Korea.
Is she from Korea?
No, she is not from Korea.
Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining outside.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is not raining outside.
Are we in the right place? Are we in the right place?
Yes, you are in the right place.
Are we in the right place?
No, you are not in the right place.
Are they ready for the meeting? Are they ready for the meeting?
Yes, they are ready for the meeting.
Are they ready for the meeting?
No, they are not ready for the meeting.
Was I sick yesterday? Was I sick yesterday?
Yes, you were sick yesterday.
Was I sick yesterday?
No, you were not sick yesterday.
Were you at the party last night? Were you at the party last night?
Yes, I was at the party last night.
Were you at the party last night?
No, I was not at the party last night.
Was he your classmate in high school? Was he your classmate in high school?
Yes, he was my classmate in high school.
Was he your classmate in high school?
No, he was not my classmate in high school.
Was she tired after the trip? Was she tired after the trip?
Yes, she was tired after the trip.
Was she tired after the trip?
No, she was not tired after the trip.
Was it cold last winter? Was it cold last winter?
Yes, it was cold last winter.
Was it cold last winter?
No, it was not cold last winter.
Were we late for the movie? Were we late for the movie?
Yes, you were late for the movie.
Were we late for the movie?
No, you were not late for the movie.
Were they surprised by the news? Were they surprised by the news?
Yes, they were surprised by the news.
Were they surprised by the news?
No, they were not surprised by the news.
Will you be at the meeting tomorrow? Will you be at the meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will be at the meeting tomorrow.
Will you be at the meeting tomorrow?
No, I will not be at the meeting tomorrow.
Will he be the next team leader? Will he be the next team leader?
Yes, he will be the next team leader.
Will he be the next team leader?
No, he will not be the next team leader.
Will she be ready by 5 o'clock? Will she be ready by 5 o'clock?
Yes, she will be ready by 5 o'clock.
Will she be ready by 5 o'clock?
No, she will not be ready by 5 o'clock.
Will it be sunny this weekend? Will it be sunny this weekend?
Yes, it will be sunny this weekend.
Will it be sunny this weekend?
No, it will not be sunny this weekend.
Will they be happy with our decision? Will they be happy with our decision?
Yes, they will be happy with your decision.
Will they be happy with our decision?
No, they will not be happy with your decision.